Good morning, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're looking at a new brokerage listing. This is a 2022 39 Bertram center console. We'll take you through some of the details today. For those that are familiar with the 39 Bertram, you guys will know this boat can truly handle it all, whether you're looking for offshore fishing, Bahama crossings, day boating. This boat is built for entertainment fishing and pretty much everything you throw its way. Standing here off the port side of the 39 Bertram, we're powered the 300 V8s, providing amazing performance, cruising speeds in the 30s, top end speed well over 50. This boat has always been lift kept, just as you see it here. No bottom paint. Hull sides are in great condition. Professionally washed and detailed every single month. We'll step here along the aft port side. And as you can see, all the engines are in great condition, all the cowlings here. As I mentioned earlier, Bertram's done an awesome job of creating comfort for the entire family. So truly a boat you take to the sandbar, take out cruising to the restaurants, but just as easily take offshore fishing and can go head to head with the hardest fishing boats in the industry. Here along the back we have a powered seat which pops up, provides ample seating for 3 people or so. And then just across we have a rear facing mezz seat with storage underneath. As you can see, all the upholstery is in really nice condition. 2 live wells along the aft transom. We do have a sea chest to provide consistent water flow into the live well system. We do have a 9 kilowatt generator with the 4.5 Seakeeper. Everything down here in the aft bilge is in really nice shape. One thing Bertram did a great job with is creating an oversized hardtop. So this boat does have a 13-foot beam, which allows Bertram to accomplish a number of things. One, an oversized hardtop. Number 2, this is the only sub 40-foot boat in the industry with 4 helm seats here behind the console. So as you're running this boat, you're well protected behind the windshield and just great visibility looking forward. You have armrests and bolsters for each seat. This boat's very well appointed with electronics, so twin 16-inch Garmin's. Garmin radar up on top, light bars. And then here we have the Mercury joystick with your autopilot, skyhook, and all the great features you guys are used to. Mercury throttles. Upgraded 7-inch Mercury vessel view up above. One of the other standout features on the 39 Bertram, easy access into the console. You won't find a bigger berth than this one you're looking at right here on a center console in this size range. This does come up and you have rod storage underneath. Refrigeration, sink, private head and shower. Just very, very well laid out by Bertram. As we step back out and go up the port side, easy access to the bow. You're greeted with more comfortable seating up here, integrated backrest into the bow seats, armrest, grab handles, just every detail has gone into consideration. Windlass anchor up in the front. All of these seats up here have covers to stay protected from the sun. We have a nice forward lounger. And then again, well appointed with electronics, open array Garmin radar, light bars, Gemlux carbon fiber outriggers. Here along both port and starboard side, we have deep storage for your lines and fenders. Same thing over on the port side. Again, this is a 2022 39 Bertram center console. Feel free to give me a call directly on my cell. My name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. I can be reached at 561-635-6811. This boat's located off-site in Vero Beach. We'd be happy to set up a call or set up a showing to see the boat.